In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords you wish to delete. Now enter your current login method. Tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!